Right guys, next bit of fun is fitting this little beauty. This is a PVC folding door. It's actually quite a very good quality. I wouldn't say heavy one. Not the one I ordered, but due to the fact that it took so much grief in getting it here with customs and everything else, I'm just going to make do with what I have. I'll cut it down to suit. That's the biggest problem, is I have to cut it, because it's far too high for what I need. That's going to be the fun bit. So we cut the door. Hopefully don't make a complete balls of it. And the door is going in to this space here. This is for the toilet inside in the camper. Sorry about the camera angle, guys, but we're not exactly overlaid with space here. So it's going into that space there. So I'm hoping it's actually quite a wide. I've actually made it as a whole kind of a wall, so the door should fit in terms of width. But we'll see. So there we go, guys. I'm going to cut this thing up now, and hopefully we don't make a mess of it. Okay, see you later, guys.